Good morning, kiddos. It's Mrs. Gershon here. Today we're going to continue syllable work with ending sounds again. I'm going to read through the words. If there's any word you're not sure of, please ask for the meaning from a teacher, or you can use your resources. Let's go ahead and read the words and then we'll talk about our endings. We have broken, cousin, gallon, heaven, bargain, mission, stolen, prison. Then we have dragon, 11, captain, cabin, chosen, muffin, bacon, curtain. Then we have mountain, cotton, hidden, ribbon, napkin, fountain, mitten, penguin. So as I was saying all of those words, I wonder if you could hear the in sound at the ending of all of those words. Now, in is typically spelled I-N, so you will see that as one of our headers today, as in the word cousin. All of our sounds have that sound, so that's what's going to make this list tough. Sorting the words, again, is going to be pretty easy because you'll be able to spot the endings easily. It's going to be learning how to actually spell the words and apply them to memory. So let's look at our first N for the spelling with E-N. We have broken. Then we have, for O-N, which would typically say on, you would have dragon. You still hear that in. And then for our last header, A-I-N, normally that would say ain, like in the word pain or rain, but it doesn't in this sort. We have mountain. So you don't hear mountain, you hear in. So be very careful when reading and sorting those. What's a little bit trickier about the AIN and the IN when you're doing your sorts is that AIN does end with IN. So just be careful. Is it AIN or IN? Again, it's an easy sort, but make sure you study those endings really well this week. All right, happy sorting.